By now we have already lost 104 teachers, and all those families are living in a very miserable and pathetic condition. And even the rest of the teachers are also going through extreme different sort of problems. They are going through extreme crisis. Some teachers are engaged in different field. Some are vegetable vendor, some are selling meat, some are working as a day laborer. But what is the government doing? How come the government have forgotten their vision document promises? In 2018 election, before they came to power, there was so much of assurance to all these 10-3 teachers. In different election campaign, assurance given by different central ministers and different state ministers. What about those promises? When are they going to fulfill all those promises? By now, it is already 3.5 years. Government is in another 1.5 years. The next election is already coming. So what are they waiting for? What is the government waiting for? When people are dying, when all these 10-3 teachers are dying, especially in this pandemic situation, in this corona time, we are going through a very extreme pain, which no one sees and no one feels. The government is only concerned about the public. They have been distributing rations from different places, different locations, but what about Dashaja 330 teachers? Are we not human beings? We also have a right to ask from the government. And many times, even yesterday and today also, citing the reason of 23 September 2020, they have issued a notification from NCCPS. So, when we are going democratically, when things are going democratically, when we are protesting as per Article 19, when the citizens, these Dashaja 330 are protesting on the road for their justice, why the government is having so much of problem with us? We are fighting for our legal justice. We are not having a political fight. We are here fighting for political for our legal justice. Because if you look at Supreme Court judgment and High Court judgment, you will find the notification given only to 462 teachers. But what about the rest of the teachers? And a few months back, the government have formed an inquiry commission. What is the inquiry commission doing? Are they sleeping? When are they going to give the report to state government, and when are we going to have a permanent solution? So this is our big question to state government. We request the state government, come forward, fulfill your vision document, or else one after another you will see us in the cremation ground. Thank you.